high, flapping their wings as they pass by. Some are big and some are small, some just chirp and some do call. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, sing and play. Birdies dance in the skies all day. Colorful feathers, beaks so bright. Birds make the world a lovely sight. The sparrow chirps and hops on walls, so tiny and cute it softly calls. The peacock twirls in a dancing spin with feathers wide and a joyful grin. The parrot talks in a funny way. Hello, hello, it loves to say. The crow goes caw on a tree so high, spreading its wings across the sky. Tweet, tweet, chirp, chirp, flap and glide. Birds are friends, we can't hide. Each one sings in its own style, flying or walking mile by mile. That owl says hoot in the dark of night, with big round eyes in silent flight. The duck says quack and swims in line, waddling around, it's doing just fine. The woodpecker taps on a